Sammy, Video Journal number 5, and I read the 2017 decision to go with not requiring a main location and toll-free telephone line. And I got to say that I definitely agree with it. I read Pye's statement and I read Clybourn statement, and I got, I didn't read super in depth, but I got the basic gist of what Clyburn was saying. He was saying that he believes that you're eliminating jobs by taking away people out of a physical location and out of a physical community. But it seems perfectly apparent to me that if the programming isn't suited to a community in the first place, then they're going to be very unlikely to to support the station in the myriad ways that they support it, advertising or just listenership. If they're not making those connections and those communications with their programming, then they're not going to get them. It has nothing to do, it seems to me, in the digital age with having a physical location. That seems perfectly archaic to me. The proper metaphor I was thinking of was as far as archaic goes, since it's almost 80 years old. I was thinking of the way that alcohol distribution is conducted in North Carolina, with the whole, like only shop at ABC stores, not on Sundays, only at certain times, that kind of deal. It just kind of seemed like another archaic. I like that word. Yeah, another extension of that kind of archaic mindset. You know what I mean? So you also said to discuss. Let me see. You said discuss. Will the public be impacted by this ruling? That's the only answer I didn't give right there. Yeah, I think they will be, because like I said, I think like Pye says in his statement, it's it's likely that, excuse me, that I'm going to burp. It's likely that they're going to have more money, they're going to have more resources to allocate to better programming and better serving the communities, the community in the ways that they want, rather than just fruitlessly allocating what I imagine what little money they do have to just, a damn telephone line and somebody to sit at a desk monitoring some files. So, fruits of the digital age, I guess. Anyway, once again, sorry for these being late. See you in Video Journal 6.